This is the 75580 double leverage pliers by Expotools. In the packaging, you will find a pair of ready-to-use double lever pliers. The design features handles that are comfortable and easy to use, and offer a high level of torque. There is also a safety lock fitted for when the pliers are not in use. The two cutting surfaces meet when operated, ensuring a crisp and clean cut. The pliers are designed to be able to cut cable up to 2.5 mm in cross-section, including piano wire. The overall length of the pliers is 205 mm, with a maximum width of 70 mm on the handles when in the locked configuration. The 75580 double leverage pliers by Expotools.